Alright, what's up guys? How you guys been? This is Jake, the pure price action trader. Welcome back to my channel, and tonight we're gonna start a new exit that we're gonna do our 10 trades session on. Last time what we did is this exit, the Euro and USD. And the result is not bad. We're having well, back then in my video I said it was about 11.68 R meaning to my risk ratio, which is 2%. Of course, this is a very prevalent rule, right? 2% rule. So 11.68 R, I mean these number times 2%, so it's that much, but only I have 10% of my position left. So this is my take profit number 3, TP3. Okay, yep, that was in my last video, but however it was because I thought that was it to all the historical data, but actually it was just my laptop. It was just my laptop played a little trick on me. It's not ended yet, and I certainly, in my last video, if you guys can go back to check it, I actually put my stop loss, my TP3 level, somewhere close to this line, the next support resistance, because I remember I said I want to play something big because I only have 10% position left anyway. So yep, later I found out the price actually goes all the way touching my ultimate TP3 here, and if you look at the RR ratio, the risk and reward ratio, if the price hit to this level, it's gonna be 34.63 R times my 2%. So everything add up, it's gonna be 12%, like 12.5, more than 12.5 something. Let's just say 12.5. Okay, don't be too positive, because really trading, it's something you need to be constantly not expecting too much, right? So we just put it 12.5%. That was it. That was my performance from the last exit, which is the Euro and USD. So with that, I'm gonna keep this all the executions and trade and performance and stuff right here for now. Let's see if I have time. I'm gonna write some journaling, or some analysis of some of the valuable trade I want to look back and reflect on. See if we have a chance to show you guys, right? Okay, moving on. I'm thinking about what should be the next exit. I'm thinking about GJ, right? Let's do GJ, because usually GJ, people love trading it. It's one of the big three, and I do my weekly analysis on GJ as well. Well, not because I'm so familiar with that, of course, right? It's just I think it's quite representative. So let's do GJ and see if I have any drawings left. Shouldn't be. Alright, it's kind of messy, but it's great. I don't need to. I don't even know a lot. Oh, it's 28 drawings. It's from a long time ago. Anyway, it's okay. I will make sure I go all the way back to somewhere I never feel familiar with. Okay. Alright, so how about this one? Oh. Excuse me. Alright, let's do randomly. Okay, very random. Just do here. Data point unavailable. Great, great. No data point. So 1 hour is that? In 4 hours. In 4 doesn't have the in 4 doesn't have the data? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it does. It does. Okay. Oh, it's because it wasn't there. Okay. Okay, never mind. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. I'll put this in. How about here? Yes, let's end for now. Let's put in somewhere more ambiguous. How about here? Yeah, all that. Select is not available for playbacks. Was first available for playback. Oh, this is totally unrehearsal. So sorry guys, I really don't know why is that happening, but looks like they have the data point, right? Looks like they have it. How come they said they don't have it? And why are they not giving me the previous data? Oh, come on. Let's start session now. Anyway, let's switch to some other accent. Let's see. How about USDJPY? Yeah, that's a very good one too. Anything I need to remove? Indicator. Alright. Oh, okay, some drawings. Okay, never mind. Long time ago anyway. Okay, so let's see. Well, how about we put it here? Not available. Ah, can't be too far back, huh? Alright, okay, fine, just here. Oh, that's weird. It's quite weird tonight. I apologize for that, guys. Alright, it's just here. Should be okay. Okay, okay, great. Finally, okay. Now we have this starting point now. And we have in USDJPY, forgot about GJ. Now it's UJ. Okay, daily, everything set. Daily for 1 hour and lower. Okay, good. Let's do it now. It's fine. I'm gonna make sure I put my timestamp there so that you guys won't need to wait for too long before I start. So first thing first, very important, of course, is the trend analysis. All right, trend analysis is super important. All right, daily, it's very obvious downtrend. And in case I missed anything, let's open the weekly as well. All right, weekly. Blah 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 blah. Oh, okay. Okay, downtrend. Okay, yeah, still downtrend. All right, actually, if you look at it at a weekly, then it's more like a downward sideway anyway. So it's something going down. All right, so going down, of course. So sideway, I think it's okay. Don't need to worry about too much on the weekly. But then let's get back to daily. Daily is very clear as a downtrend, and what is the last swing high? It's last swing high. I believe it's this one right here. Right, this one right here. Okay. A bit messy. Okay, never mind. Go. Okay, I got it. This one. It's very obvious and important support resistance here found. Where else? Let me take a look. This one, no. right here. Okay, right here, all fours definitely. Super obvious. That you almost cannot ignore. I'm talking about that obvious, right? Okay. Right here, this one as well. Well, I think lastly, I'll also get out the Fibonacci's. Okay. So now we're clear. Downtrend. We don't have a lot of support and resistance. From now on, just abbreviate. I would just abbreviate it to say SR level, SR line. There's not many SR lines nearby, so we just need to be patient and wait, and just check out the momentum, see if there's any good momentum. So far no. So far no. Okay, let's go. Mm. We might need to wait for quite a long time. As I said, it's not nearby any support resistant. Yeah, so just be patient. Now I gotta form me another closer support resistant here. Alright. Can't say much now. Okay, one moment. Okay. Alright, around this area. Which is not a really good one, but we can mark it to further observation needed from the lower time frame. Okay, mark it for now. See if it's gonna bounce back. Right. Okay. Let me see. Not very clear structure. Oh, right here. Okay. So now if you can give me a quick break of structure going back down. Okay, looks like from here to here. So we're talking about we're talking about well, we can. It's not a very good order block here. Kind of ambiguous. Yeah, never mind. I wouldn't be able to cash on this one anyway. So let it go. Even though I think it will continue to go down. Okay, now it's a bit different than just now. Okay. Just need to calm down a little bit. Let's go all the way up here. Keep going down. And I did not catch that. I really did not. Okay, how about this? That's right. I probably won't be seeing this point because it's not really good. Or the block anyway. Alright, yeah, I'll just let it go. Yeah. So only something you can catch is yours. If something you cannot catch, that means it's not yours. You just need to profit when you can. Okay. Okay. This one get touched once. Let's see what could happen. Keeps going to higher. Okay, this is okay. Right here. Something, but it's counter. It's actually counter the trend. Counter the trend, right? If that's the case, then I need to be careful. Let me see where is the potential. Where's the potential resistance? Okay, I already know. Fine. I'm still gonna take it because it's it matches some of our rules, so we will take it, make it active here, and then because it's counter trend trade, so we will be looking at maybe somewhere here. Well, it's good enough. So it's way good enough. So we don't quite need to worry about the distance. Alright, just yeah, let's see. Still acceptable. Mm, it's not as good. Okay, that it's a way too far up. A bit too far up. Actually, kind of ambiguous right here. Because it's not really overlapping very nicely. Well, anyway, we'll still keep it. Yes. Okay, one moment. I spot some intentional momentum right here. The location is still acceptable though. Actually, it's not that. It's quite intentional. Just a second. Let me think. Just a second. It's going down. It's downtrend. It's downtrend. So maybe I should. But there's only one order block there. Does not have a chance to engage the market. However, the level of intention, it's quite it's quite high. Level of intention quite high. However, on 1 hour, if we look at it more closely, it's not from this candle go all the way down. It has something else then go all the way down. On the 4 hour time frame, it looks like it's very intentional, but it's actually not quite, from 1 hour. So, okay, let's continue. About this. Yeah, the trade is still active. I mean the order, not the trade. Sorry, the order is still active. See if we could enter it, and if we enter it, we're gonna take the break even at just the 1 hour distance, because it's a counter trend trade. Okay, we're in, and about here, 1 hour, we're gonna take the break even. So we have the chance. Well, maybe not. Okay. Well, could happen. Nice. First loser. Always loser as the beginning. That's exactly the power of system I can show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna keep this trade right here. Okay, let let it continue. Mm-hmm. Okay. We can put a tray here. All right. Oh, don't go down just yet. Should be able to get in. Should be able to get in the tray. Alright, we're in. Wow. Okay. Second loser. Very quickly this one, huh? Was okay. And also I spotted the support and resistance level right here, so maybe we can take a look on the lower time frame, see what kind of opportunity we can seize. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Let's take a closer look and slow down at the same time. Expecting something to go to the downside strongly. Okay. Not very good. If the direction is going up, then I probably won't do anything unless it's very, very intentional. Yeah, I probably won't give much attention to it. So far, nothing really. Okay. I think I spot something. It's right here. We're gonna enter this right here. Gonna enter this right here. For any trade I enter nearby the SR line, I'll take the break even at about 1R level. Yeah. It's not touching my entry. Not touching my entry point. Well, that means it's not a very typical one. I need to drag all the way here, which is no, I won't. Yeah, so it's fine. Nothing here. Let's just keep going. Actually, here in our 15-minute, we still have a chance. We have a chance. This time we'll put it here. And if anything exceed, actually here. Right. If something go lower than that doji, we're gonna give up the tray. Yeah, give up. Okay. Right. Goes away from our SR line right now. And this is 1, 2, 3. It's a fake breakout. So this time, just one last time, we're gonna trust it. Nope. Nope. Alright, that means we oh, right. Well, it's fine. That means we don't have the entry, the chance around this, and this SR line can be retired already. So yeah, it's okay. Let's continue. Let's just continue. Oh, okay. Something interesting happened. In the 4 hours, pretty strong. I don't even see any Any other block? That's right. That's a pretty strong momentum one. I cannot say I didn't see anything. And this time looks like I should put my entry here. If we stop there, let's see if we go higher up. We're gonna need to adjust a little. Yeah, it keeps going up. And okay. It's getting back down now. Still, because this time we're doing counter trend trade, so I'm a bit. Anyway, yeah. Let's see. Still waiting. Should put higher. Actually, I can put higher. Give me one last time to think about. Actually, it's a little bit off from my rules. I shouldn't. Yeah, I should just make it yellow. To keep further look, I cannot just make a direct entry there. Almost made a mistake. Major mistake. It's fine to take a loser, but it's not fine to lose because you're not obeying your rules. Okay? You should be sad. Real sad because of that. Okay. Okay, now better. Otherwise, even you take a loser, you should be happy because you 100% obey your own rules. You should be proud of it. Is do we have another support resistance? Doesn't seem so. That's very interesting because it's already create another higher high. Alright. I don't know what the heck is that actually. Has it become an uptrend already? Where's the... No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, if we look at weekly from here, bounce back to... Okay, okay. Okay. It is possible to measure from here actually. Okay, from here. From his uptrend. From his uptrend already. Okay. Okay, because this is the last swing. This is the last swing. Then right here, back to neutral, high. This is a good retracement actually. Yeah. Okay. However, after that high, if we talk about this is a retracement, then it kind of break. So it kind of get back to a ranging. Get back to a range just on that part. Just on that part. It feels like it get back to a range. Should that range also be included in the previous range? Let me think. So clearly it high. Should that be seen as a high? So that's the point, right? Should that be seen as a solid retracement then create a high for us? A bit ambiguous actually. Anything that's ambiguous means no. Right, so let's make it simple. Think of it arranging right now. Yeah. Yeah. It's better we do this way. What happened just now it's breakout, but it's kind of hard to put the support resistance here. Well, actually here it's okay, so just break through to the upside. Just break through to the upside. Wow, this is a wow. This one is pretty obvious, alright, if doing the upside. And also, if we take a look at this, yeah, too many order block overlap happens here. I think I'm gonna have to take the tray. If it's not going any further up, should be okay. Wait, too far up. Actually no. Still not bad. Just waiting for it to come back down for the. Well, then after that, hopefully it can really get back to a high structure. Well, actually, at this moment it's just a range. But then, yeah, the momentum it's quite obvious, and there's so many good order blocks overlapping here, right? At this point, it's not really that intentional though, but yeah, again, it's about the order blocks. It's a range. If it's a range, then you cannot rely on the SR. If it's in talk about the level of intentional, it's actually not that intentional. Not you can't just say because of all the block you enter, right? Yeah. So all right. So the conclusions that I might want to take a look when the price got close to here, but it cannot be direct. Cannot. Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm gonna suppress my desire here. Yeah, I need to do the same thing. Okay, let me look closer. Okay, alright, alright. That run right here. Um, that's very obvious. Okay. It's not touching yet though. That it's the only part that is not that perfect. Uh, okay. I'm gonna make it direct this time, so go with this one, leave with the green one, and see. Oh wow, wow. Stop sign. Then, if that's the case, this is not should be moved. Should be moved. Okay. So even talking about that, it's break of structure already. And right here now we have even better. We have even better other blocks appears here. Okay, yeah, that's a good one. So if it go down from here, which I don't think very possible. Oh wow. Then we'll try to see if we can enter. See, it keeps going higher. But then, yeah, it's still okay. Talk about the position. Is it still okay right now? It's still acceptable. Still acceptable. Just you don't know if it's really coming back down. Hold on just 1 second. was the logic? I'm taking this one again. Oh, because I'm talking about it. Okay, I was thinking around here it will bounce back up, but it's actually quite far. And it goes up. If I treat this as a break of structure happen, then I need to watch out for this area. However, it has to be the real bottom for this. What if we create another? And yeah, don't forget. I actually earlier I said this seems like a range more than to me it seems like a range more than a trend actually. It's not very convincing me just yet. Okay, so no. Nope. I'll rather wait for it to drop lower. Not quite trusting. Okay, fine. Not gonna regret because it's not obeying my rule, so I rather miss it than I actually took it and then made a bigger mistake last time. Yeah, so now the conclusion so far is that I still think it's a range instead of a trend. Yeah, so yeah, it dropped to the lower, which is very reasonable. Just that I'm looking for oh, it doesn't give me. Yeah. Okay, not exactly correct. It bounced up a little bit from here because someone might see it as a break of structure to the upside, but I don't really think so. So it ultimately dropped back. Okay, so not 100% follow my logic, but yeah, it's not a trend. Okay, keep going. So this whole chunk of thing, no, not really, not really. You know, uptrend, just a range. If that's the case, I can totally erase this support resistance at the middle. Yeah. Goodbye. Alright, gone. Okay, just be patient and wait to the bottom of the range and see what we can do. looking for something intentional at this moment. It's just a range, so it doesn't matter the direction. Hmm? Hmm. Okay, never mind. Come on, go all the way down. Go all the way down to my SR line. Better touch it and make a quick liquidity sweep, then go to the upside. That would be the best case. I'm still here, still watching. Don't panic. Alright. Finally get closer to the line right down there. Come on. Okay. Looks like it's forming another range within a range in 1 hour time frame. Gosh. What are you trying to tell me? Okay, now you're uptrend now again. Perfect. Good job. And pretty much just starts here, huh? But I'm not gonna get into it. At the end of the day, it's just range. You never know. Don't look at the lower time frame that you say, oh, I spot a trend there. No, 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 no. It can change anytime. See, so just right now, it already exists my 0.7 level. So pretty much get back to a range again. So it constantly change the structure. Yep, that's right. See, go all the way down again. Nothing. Sweep anything? Okay. It could be a sweep happen. Let's give it a couple more candles. Or it can go further down to sweep more. Come on, don't stop there. Go all the way down. Make it easier to judge. Yeah, please go at least here. Show me your intention. Show me your intention. Come on. Okay, you did. Alright, it's okay. Time to bounce back. Come on. Ooh. Break to the downside. Okay, one moment. Okay, this retire. I'm wondering if this whole chunk is just a range. And after the whole range of thing, it could totally continue to go to further down and continue on the lower low structure. Totally can happen this way. Alright, as long as you come back down here. As long as you cross that, come back down, and you're a downtrend. Well, it's such a long way. We're gonna take one more trade and then we'll call it the night. Such a long wait. Still waiting. Still hasn't appeared. Chance still not appear. One moment. Actually, no. It's not obvious enough. And I miss it for a good reason. Okay, looks like it's something going to happen. Alright, don't go back down. Keep going up. Show me some intention. Okay, finally could ride on something. If it go a bit higher, hopefully it will go higher. And put my trade here already because I already see there's a pretty good overlap. So it won't go too far up. Will be acceptable. It's still good. Okay, at this moment still okay. Oh, actually, this one even in daily, there's a pretty good overlap. So, uh, okay, you can still go a little more up. Hmm. Not yet. It's not touching it. Close, but not yet. Why are you bouncing so up high already? If there is a range, still acceptable at this moment. Still fine, just we don't know if we'll. Okay, give it a little more room. I think that should be okay. If it's a range, then it might want to continue to go to the downside. It could happen. There's a support resistance, so very possibly my first profit taking should be right here. If it goes my way. I don't know what it's gonna happen next, honestly. Alright, just get back, get down there. You go more up high, it will be way too off the location. Still fine. Well, if it go to the place of okay. Too off. Too off already. So yeah, give this up. Fine. Such a long way though. Okay. Oh, turns out it's not even touching. And that happened already. Okay, so now okay, let me take a look at weekly actually. This is actually quite. We have a good big area to look at this case. Well, actually, even on the daily, there's something we can utilize. Let's see if it goes down. Might take a while though. Can definitely go further up again, and ignoring all the stuff down there surely could happen. Yeah, nothing I can do, just wait. So far, not any intentional happen, and this is a range for sure. This is a range for sure, and if it cross here, it's even worse. Gonna get back to the downtrend. But at this moment, we just don't know yet. We don't know yet. Okay, looks like almost getting there. Let's see how will it go. Okay, touch my entry. and break even will be in 1 hour because in my judgment about it, it's a range, so you cannot take the break even too far up. It's could be too risky. Looks like it's actually lacking of the momentum to go up too. What just happened? Okay, anyway. It's a little bit hope. It's not there yet, still far. Alright. It's not even reaching my break even. Come on, buddy. Show me some power. Doesn't seem well. Obviously, it's not decided yet. Once it's decided, it's gonna be either going to my stop loss or I'll go to my break even. It'll be fast. Looks like it's gonna go to my stop loss, huh? Doesn't look well. All the block it's going downside actually. Unless it destroys this first. But yeah, it's not very looking good. It's not looking good. Alright, finally we have the decision. Okay, so again we experience losing streak. 3 trades totally. Let's call it tonight. It's kind of late right now. Fine, right? It could happen. It will always happen as a trader. So, yeah, a bit feeling down, but that's fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll log out right now. You guys have a good night.